Hello guys, good evening and welcome back. Alright, so in this video I want to show us how you can make your agbada in 10 to 12 minutes. Now you must have finished cutting your agbada, then I'm trying to fold the base. You make sure you fold this down area first. Before you fold it, you must lock 8 inches in from both ends. Then you double fold as seen. Then once you get to this level, you stitch it down this way, and then you from there you fold in again, right? As you can see, I am folding my agbada in. Then this is the most important area that most people find difficult to understand. So you fold in that form, then thread all through that way. So when you are threading this point, you make sure that it's relaxed. There should be no rumples or whatsoever. Then you thread all across. This is the down area of the agbada first. As you can see, where I locked initially is 8 inches. I did not video it when locking it, but then you lock both ends inwards by 8 inches. Then after that, then you make sure the fabric is relaxed properly this way. Then you thread all the down area of the agbada. Then after this, you have to take your time to do it because the fabric will be bulky, so you will do it gradually, right? You don't have to be in a haste. So you fold accordingly and make sure you thread. I used iron initially to get the folding, so it's not easy for me to double fold. Then I'm trying to arrange everything properly to align. The inch of the folding was 3.5 inches or 4 inches, depending on how many inch you used. Then you now fold the side, fold 1.5 inch in, and then fold again. Then make sure you start from the down joining. Align these 2 points. The 2 points must correspond. Then you start from there to thread, right? You start from there to thread. Then also make sure it's relaxed. Then in some cases you might decide to add hemming gum or material gum or hairstay underneath. Then it all depends on your choice, but this is for illustration purposes. You can still add yours if you so wish, but then if you don't add it, there's still no problem. But you must make sure you iron properly after threading. So this is how to fold the down part and the side edge of your agbada. Now please kindly subscribe to my channel if you find this video interesting. Then watch the end, because you are going to see the final results of this work I am doing here, right? So I took my time to record this for you guys to see and for you to understand as well. So this is just how you are going to fold the sides. It can be boring because of the lengthiness of the stitching, but just try your best. Make sure that at this point there is no fold or spillover, right? It's corresponding as shown. As you can see how neatly folded it is. I will say iron out before the final result. Then I am trying to replicate the same process I did on the first area on the second side as well. Then still make sure that the folding there is tallying. Then once it's tallied in that form, you now thread as well. So this threading is what you are going to do from beginning or from that joining to the end. So just take your time to watch this video and make sure you subscribe. Also comment, tell me where you are watching from, and let me know what you feel, right? So just try your best to watch the end. So now, as you can see, ironing is what I am doing. Now, if you take proper look and observation, you are going to see that I am using a black fabric pieces to place on top of the Agbada. I sprinkle water on these pieces and then I iron on top of the pieces. Now the essence of this is to make sure that I don't drop the iron shining effects on the clothes, because that ironing, if you iron directly to the fabric, it will give you a whitish and shiny effects on the main clothes, which will make the clothes to look rough, right? So it's something that you will have to do patiently, and then also learn how to fold the Agbada to come out in a very moderate and portable size and manner, so that it doesn't get too bulky for you to package for your customers. Then after you must have ironed all through that way, then you have to fold this in this form. Then the folding must be done properly. Then make sure you take your time, pet the fabric, pet the outfit, and for you to achieve a perfect result on all of your sewings, right? So sprinkle water on it. So this is my sprinkler, right? I use the empty cans of any soft drink I have taken or any of my students might have taken. I fill water in it and use it to use as my sprinkler. Then you can still make use of your steam iron if you have one, but because of the generator I'm using, my steam iron will not be able to give me that steam properly because of the voltage is too high for the generator. So I have to use the normal dry cell iron to iron this. So as you can see how I'm placing a black fabric on top of this, sprinkle water on top, and then you iron it out properly. So these are more what you'll be seeing on my channel. Kindly subscribe, share to your friends to come and learn how to iron properly your Agbada and how to achieve a neat finishing as well, because if you don't know how to use this fabric to iron, you end up damaging this face of your outfit. So this will look like an oven baked outfit after you must have done the whole thing, right? All right guys, thank you for watching guys. Hope to see you in my subsequent videos. I'll put this on my mannequin and show you the result on my mannequin. All right, do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.